Hello everyone! I have an amazing product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's an electrical outlet extender and I received it for donation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. It's very nicely designed, lightweight, compact, that makes it very convenient to take it with you to go anytime, anywhere. It features 5 AC outlets. They designed with the wide spacing between them, 2.15 inches, so it's compatible with different plug sizes. It also designed with 2 Type-C and 2 USB-A ports, so you can charge multiple devices that meets different needs. It also has an amazing feature, built-in night light with 3 levels of brightness, and it's designed with the built-in sensor that you can activate, so the light's gonna turn on automatically when it's needed. And it also designed with surge, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating protection, so you can be sure your devices are safe with it. Outlet extender from Power Store is very nice. I love the quality. It's so simple to use and so convenient. It's perfect for home use, office, or traveling. I like this product very much and I will highly recommend it to you.